did you? Anything you want.
Ripple XRP price analysis, still far from bottoming out? Ripple broke below its short-term consolidation pattern to signal that a continuation of the longer-term slide is due. Price is trading inside a descending channel visible on the 4-hour chart and has just tumbled below the mid-channel area of interest. The 100 SMA is below the longer-term 200 SMA to indicate that the path of least resistance is to the downside. In other words, the sell-off is more likely to gain traction than to reverse. The 100 SMA also held as dynamic resistance on the latest test, and the 200 SMA could serve an additional upside barrier as well. Price could be on track towards slumping to the very bottom of the channel at 0.2000. However, stochastic is pulling out of the oversold region to signal that buyers are about to return. In that case, a pullback to the nearby resistance levels could be seen. RSI is also turning higher after indicating exhaustion among sellers. Cryptocurrencies have mostly been in sell-off mode so far this week, and this is being blamed on the rise in stablecoin Tether that weighed on the negatively correlated Bitcoin. From there, it spread to most of the altcoins, although some like Tron have been able to benefit from its own developments. It's not surprising that naysayers are piling on negative commentary with this massive sell-off, further exacerbating the bearish pressure on Ripple and its peers. So far there have been no major positive updates to stem these losses or sustain any bounces. The GTI Vera Convergence Divergence technical indicator shows Bitcoin has now entered a new selling trend once more, and this was seen as a reliable predictor of the November sell-off that happened across the board and wiped out massive amounts in the cryptocurrency market. Ripple tends to plan more business in global corridors with regulatory clarity. In the most recent episode of the Ripple Drop, the company has highlighted a few of the key success stories and products that the year 2018 witnessed in the Ripple and XRP ecosystem. Here, Marcus Treacher and Ashish Birla, respectively working as the SVP, Customer Success and Product Management, spoke about the products and partnerships of Ripple established in 2018. Treacher began by stating that 2018 was the year when the Ripple Net came to life, wherein the company built a network of up to 40 countries around the world and started to bring the whole payment vision of Ripple to fruition. When asked about the key milestones in the course of the year, he answered by mentioning OnePayFX, a payment service by Santander. Here, he conveyed that the service is being rolled out by the company all over the world. Treacher added, "ND Ripple is driving that solution. What we are now doing is using that know-how to help them very quickly develop winning propositions for their own apps and their own instant banking services. What's it doing is it's creating a true global network, and that's starting to bring the internet or value to life." Regarding the accomplishments of the company on the product front, Birla mentioned Xcurrent and XRapid as the champions of the year. He said that Ripple wanted to make all the products work better with each other. For instance, Xcurrent, the product that has been outsold by the company in the market for more than 3 years now, had been made to work with XRapid this year. He further explained the importance of the synergy, mentioning that XRapid can be used to create on-demand liquidity on an instant basis in Mexico. In his words, "That's such a big deal is because you don't need to have the expensive capital tied up in Mexico. You can use XRapid for on-demand liquidity, instantly sourcing liquidity and delivering your payment into Mexico." One of the really exciting things about XRapid is that not only did we get the product launched not technically, but we got to live in Mexico. We got to live in the Philippines as well. For 2019, Birla suggested that the goal was to bring XRapid into more specific corridors with regulatory clarity and a need for solving a big pain point for a customer base,